Hi guys, I just got back from the Jason show where I made this beautiful roasted Brussels sprout salad because we are in winter salad season. And you might not think of Brussels sprouts as a salad, but it is so delicious. And here's the secret. So you shave your Brussels sprouts, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, that's how we shaved our Brussels sprouts. But the key is you roast half of them and then you leave the other half raw. So you get that roasty, toasty, caramelized bits on the part of the Brussels sprouts, but you also get the crunch and the crisp of the raw side. And then you make this gorgeous Caesar dressing. Now, I am a big Caesar salad person. Kurt is a big Caesar salad person at our house. He usually makes the Caesar. But in the wintertime, I don't know, we just don't really whip up a Caesar salad. But I will with winter vegetables. I've done this same type of treatment with cabbage, like I showed you in another recipe, but I've also done it with Brussels sprouts, and it is super delicious. So let me just plug in my little hand mixer here. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to make just a super easy salad dressing at home. Now you have to use anchovies. I know some people creep out by them. You can buy them in a paste form, in a tube, and then they look a little less creepy. But Caesar dressing is not Caesar dressing if you don't use the anchovy, so just don't look. Then you want to use garlic, and I'm just smashing my cloves with my knife. And I just cut them a little bit, just like big chunks, just so that the blender has an easier time getting them all mixed in. Now, these are pretty big cloves. I'm gonna use 3 is I think what the recipe calls for. Let's just check it. Oh no, it calls for 2. But you know what? I have this little baby one here. I'm gonna throw that one in because you can never have too much garlic, can you? All right, so that is our garlic. Then we've got egg yolks. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do the white back and forth. Here, I'm just gonna let me just grab this bowl here. And I'm just using the yolk. Okay, so I've got one. I'll get one more egg. One more egg, she said. All right, someone asked me how do you think of all these recipes? I think of them the same way you guys do. I think about seasonally, what do I want to eat? Woo, this is a double yolker. Did you see that? Okay, ready? 1, get that one, and 2. Usually when you have a double yolk, they're littler. And I'm gonna put them all in there because little yolk never hurt anybody. To you. I am using a Dijon mustard here, just about a tablespoon. This mustard, ooh, so spicy, so delicious. All right, so we've got our mustard. Then we're gonna use a little bit of mayonnaise. When Kurt makes it, he doesn't do this, but I like mine extra creamy. So I just put a plop in there, about a tablespoon. So we'll get that in there. Then we're gonna have lemon juice. And we are gonna use 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So I've got some lemon that's left here. I'm gonna squeeze that from a different recipe I was working on. Then we will go ahead and use the rest of this here. Sometimes I feel fancy and I put the lemon zest in there because I like it real lemony. And for this recipe with the Brussels sprouts, you could always zest the lemon over the top. Whenever you're using lemon, think of ways to zest and use it because you're getting that delicious lemony flavor. All right, so I've got the olive oil, I've got the lemon juice, I've got the lemon juice, now I need the olive oil. I'm gonna use about a 1/2 cup. I make this dressing a lot, so I eyeball it a lot. And then we have about a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. And here's the trick. Don't use the kind in the green can. That has all these caking agents and things added to it. But you can buy a DiGiorno already grated cheese for this. That'll work just fine. Or you can grate your own. All right, so we've got the cheese, we've got the Parmesan, we've got the olive oil, the lemon juice. Ooh, we need some salt. Always salt your dressing. It needs flavor. A little pepper. And then we're gonna zhuzh it up. Are you ready? I've got my immersion blender here. There we go. Just move it up and down in your cup there. I want to make sure I get all that mustard. All right, look at that. All right, look at that. Beautiful, thick, creamy, homemade Caesar dressing. Way more healthy for you. You have to worry about what's in it. You guys know Kurt has a lot of allergies, so I end up making all of our salad dressing fresh. Look at how like rich and thick and creamy that is. Ooh. Put that on our Brussels sprouts here and our croutons that we roasted together. We roasted half of the Brussels sprouts with the croutons on the same tray, so it was a one tray sitch. And that, my friends, is how you can get through the winter with delicious winter salad.